Okay, for part B, there are 2 marks available. The perfect solution requires you to take both of the factors and raise them to the power 4. That includes the 2. So you need to calculate 2 to the power 4, which is 16, and then multiply the powers of m to get 16 m to the power 12. That scores both marks. However, there is a way of getting 1 mark, and the most common way to see it happen is to not raise 2 to the power 4, but just leave it as 2. That scores 1 mark precisely. Also a popular mistake is to raise 2 to the power 4, but not to calculate it. It's seen in the mark scheme explicitly written there. And if you do not calculate it, evaluate it, you will lose the mark. So those 2 are both 1 mark out of 2.